kids, my name is Anushka Choure. Today we will learn about vegetable in Hindi and English. So start. Cucumber, Hindi name is Kheera. Onion, Hindi name is Pyaz. Peas, Hindi name is Matar. Ginger, Hindi name is Adrak. Garlic, Hindi name is Lasan. Radish, Hindi name is Mooli. Carrot, Hindi name is Gajar. Bottle gourd, Hindi name is Loki. Spinach, Hindi name is Palak. Arran, Hindi name is Arbi. Pumpkin, Hindi name is Potato. Hindi name is Aloo. Capsicum, Hindi name is Shimla Mirch. Bitter gourd, Hindi name is Karela. Tomato, Hindi name is Tomatar. Ladyfinger, Hindi name is Bindi. Cauliflower, Hindi name is Phool Gobi. Lemon, Hindi name is Nimbu. Brinjal, Hindi name is Baigan. Turnip, Hindi name is Shaljam. Green chili, Hindi name is Hari Mirch. Mushroom, Hindi name is Mushroom. Cabbage, Hindi cabbage. Hindi name is Patta. Fenugreek, Hindi name is Methi. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. वीडियो देख लिया, लाइक करना और 50,000 लाइक तक जरूर पहुंचाना. लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना. सब्सक्राइब का बटन ऐसा होना चाहिए और एक घंटा होगा, उसे भी बजा देना. थैंक यू.